Bamba stands for Berks Area Mountain Biking Association. We are a mountain biking organization. We aim to promote and preserve the landscape around here, but we're also a community organization. We get out into the community and try to promote mountain biking. The area we're at right now is Blue Marsh Lake, and Bamba partnership with Blue Marsh Lake, the Army Corps of Engineers, and we help them develop a machine-built trail system, and it is really a unique system. It's meant for everyone, hiking, trail runners, dog walkers, mountain bikers, of course. I think it's unique in the aspect that anyone can ride these trails, from a beginner to an expert rider. There's really something for everyone. I'm a coach of a mountain bike team. We bring our team out here, so they are beginner riders, children riders, and they're able to ride on these trails. And then we also see expert riders out here as well, so everyone can enjoy them. We just opened up another trail called Skyline on Mount Penn. It's more of like a bike park kind of trail, which has large jumps and berms. Berks County is unique in the way that all the trails are really located centrally to the city. We have several trail systems around here, and they're all centrally located through the Schuylkill River Trail. So you could essentially get a hotel room in the center of Reading and ride your bike to any of the trail systems in the area.